Assalamu alaikum and welcome back to my channel. In today's cooking tutorial we'll be making a delicious and popular dish which is chicken korma. This dish is loved by many, so join me and let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to be cooking in a clay pot today. I'm going to add some oil in there. I've chopped up one large onion and I'm just going to add that in there. Once the oil is heated, we're going to give that a good stir. I'm going to cook that on medium heat until the onions become a nice brown colour. Just going to place the lid on top and let that cook on low heat for another 2-3 minutes. For those of you who are cooking in a clay pot the first time, just remember, do not cook this on high heat. Cook it on low to medium heat as it is very delicate, and just be careful. But the onions have reached a light brown colour, and what I've done is I've just added in 1 kg of chicken. I'm going to give that a good mix. Now added in 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of salt. I've added 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste whilst I'm stirring this. I'm going to cook that for another 5 to 6 minutes so all those masalas are nicely combined. It's been about 5 minutes since I've taken the lid off, and as you can see, you've got that nice colour that's come into the chicken. I'm going to add in over half a packet of shahi korma masala. Now this is really strong, so I would advise you to taste as you're going along. So I'm just going to add that in and then again give that a good stir. One of the reasons I haven't added in any of the whole masala is because in this shahi korma masala pack it has everything included in there, and it is very flavorful. So please do taste as you go along and as you are cooking. I'm going to add in half a cup of yogurt into here. Mix that all together. I'm going to let that cook on low heat for another 5 to 6 minutes. Wow, this smells absolutely amazing. I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. Add some water in. and let that cook on low heat for about 10 minutes. So it's now been 10 minutes. I'm just going to take the lid off, and as you can see, that chicken korma is now ready. So I'm just going to garnish this with now some bullet chilies and some coriander, and as you can see, the chicken korma is now ready to be served. So I hope you've enjoyed watching my video today. Please remember to subscribe to my channel, like and share, and stay tuned with my upcoming recipes.